Hey, welcome to the 48-hour challenge. What we're doing over the next 4 days, 12 hours a day from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock at night, is converting this property. Now, the reason we're doing this is because the increase in domestic violence has increased over years and years. And so let's watch the next 48 hours and see how it goes. My biggest concern at the moment is that the 48 hours challenge that we're doing is not over exactly 48 hours like we used to, and everyone seems to be a bit laid back. So today's about actually motivating people to push forward to make sure they're doing things as quick as what we would normally do. Okay, so here we are, finished product. Let's start with downstairs. So walking through the common area goes into micro apartment 1, where we've got this digital lock to allow people to come in. We closed off a wall, opened up this doorway to create a bedroom, and now we've got a really nice open plan living area. So moving upstairs, this is a nice little micro apartment, and I can imagine just sitting out on the sunroom, looking out at the trees at the end of a day. This is really probably the pick of all the micro apartments. For me, the cuts and bruises, well, it's worthwhile because what we've achieved in 48 hours is pretty amazing. And now if you want to watch more of what we do, please make sure that you follow us on all our social media, and I hope to see you next time.